back to Peace Signs. Today I'm going to be cooking my first dinner. But before we get started, make sure to hit that subscribe button, turn notification, and give us a huge thumbs up. Now, you guys can follow at home what my directions at home if you want to cook this meal. And it's called, no, that's not what it's called. It's called BBQ Spice Chicken with Dijonis. Yummy. Does it look good? Dijonis, yes. Like mayonnaise. Kind of. Except it's a little spicy. Setting up the stove, and now I'm pouring the water in the pot so it can be ready for the rice. Oh, and also use a grown-up's help with this. I don't want you guys to get burnt. This is very fun. Now I am putting the salt in. The salt also helps it boil. Now I'm putting the rice in. It smells delicious. I gave it a thumbs up, too. Right now I am cutting up the yellow squash. Make sure to also use the grown-up's help with this one. Right now I'm cutting up the red pepper, and now I'm squishing it. Can't get it. I used Dad's help with this one. I'm too weak for this. Right now I am taking out the things from the collard green. You wouldn't want to eat that, would you? No. Oh, this chicken was so gross. Anyways, I am patting up the chicken because it had water in it. Now I'm putting pepper and salt on it. Now I'm flipping the chicken. And make sure to use a grown-up's help with this one too. And now my dad is getting out the chicken. Putting in the chicken, I mean. And I'm checking out the chicken. Now I'm doing I'm stirring the vegetables. These are really healthy for you. Make sure to use a grown-up's help with this. Now I'm stirring it again with the collard greens in it. Right now I'm putting the lid on so there's no steam and it's not too hot. And it also can cook. Now my dad is taking it out. Taking the chicken out. And now I'm cutting the chicken. Make sure to use help because leave a like if you think I'm going still slow. And yes, I'm doing it in slow motion. I'm putting the tomatoes in the rice. This smells so delicious. Now I'm putting the vegetables on the plate because it's finished. And now I'm going over to the other side and I'm going to get the chicken. You can put the sauce on if you want. And now I'm putting down the rice with tomatoes. Okay guys, I'm done with my food. Doesn't it look delicious? Okay guys, I am done with it. If you guys liked it, it's delicious. Tell me in the comments down below how it tasted to you. But it smells so good. Let's go and eat it. Okay guys, I am done with my food. And so yeah, you can see that my plate is all cleaned off. Well, some of it. And yes, I know, I ate it all because I loved it. So, and thank you for watching me cook for my first time. And letting me show you how to cook BBQ spiced chicken with DGNAs. And I hope you liked my dinner. If you guys made it too, make sure to comment down below if it was good or not. And make sure to subscribe, comment below, give us a big thumbs up. We'll see you guys next time. Bye! Peace!